Deep within the high plateaus, a rare delicacy begins its journey from the earth. Locating the nest requires years of experience and a respect for the desert's rhythm. Precision is vital. The delicate larvae must not be crushed during extraction. Known as desert caviar, these larvae are a prized source of concentrated protein. Each nest is harvested by hand to ensure the colony survives for future seasons. Initial cleaning begins in the field, separating the harvest from the desert floor. Sustainability is the law of the harvest. The nest must be preserved. Speed is essential to maintain freshness under the rising morning sun. Immediate temperature control halts the development of the larvae. From the arid fields, the delicate cargo begins its journey to the processing facility. Secured and chilled, the harvest is protected against the vibrations of the road. The raw harvest is complete. Now, the transformation into a refined product begins. Time and temperature are the enemies of quality in delicate insect proteins. Continuous monitoring ensures the cold chain remains unbroken during transit. The harvest enters a controlled environment where traditional methods meet modern standards. Security and traceability begin the moment the raw product arrives at the gates.
You're clear. Head to the receiving bay.
Precision docking prevents external heat from entering the sterile receiving area. Every batch is logged and weighed to calculate yield and colony impact. Exact measurements are the foundation of industrial-scale food logistics. Preliminary samples are taken immediately to check for purity and size consistency. Digital tagging ensures full transparency from the agave field to the final consumer. The product moves deeper into the facility, entering the high hygiene zone. Automation streamlines the flow, directing the harvest to the primary cleaning stage. With the transport complete, the industrial transformation is ready to begin. This state-of-the-art facility is the heart of global Escamole production. Security protocols ensure that only certified personnel enter the clean zones. A specialized workforce is the backbone of this high-precision industry. Contamination control begins long before the first machine is touched. Every layer of PPE is a barrier between the environment and the product. In the world of microproteins, even a single hair is a critical contaminant. The transition to the white zone requires a total change of state. High-velocity air removes microscopic particulates in a matter of seconds. Automated hand sanitation is the final gate to the processing floor. The worker is now a sterile operator, ready to interface with the machinery. Beyond these doors lies a symphony of high-tech processing. The facility is alive, ready to process the day's harvest. The journey through the line begins with the gentle introduction of raw materials. Automated elevation moves the product toward the first stage of purification. Ozonated water baths provide deep cleaning without the use of harsh chemicals. Buoyancy-based separation removes the first layer of field impurities. Excess moisture is shed rapidly to prepare for optical inspection. Advanced optical sensors analyze every individual grain in milliseconds. Compressed air acts with surgical precision to eliminate substandard specimens. The human eye remains the ultimate fail-safe in the sorting process. Sorting by size ensures uniform cooking and texture in the final stages. Ultrasonic technology reaches where traditional washing cannot. Pure, sorted, and ready, the harvest enters the heart of the factory. Removing surface moisture is critical before the core processing begins. The core transformation begins with a gentle thermal acclimation in a mineral-rich brine. Precise temperature control is the secret to maintaining the delicate pop of the larvae's exterior. Constant slow-motion agitation ensures every grain is heated with absolute uniformity. Natural extracts are infused at this stage to enhance the product's subtle, nutty profile. Scintillation removes the cooking liquid, preparing the batch for its final texture refinement. Handled with the utmost care, the processed larvae move toward the moisture balance stage. A rapid blanching pulse sets the proteins, locking in the nutritional density. Infrared technology precisely balances the internal moisture to prevent spoilage. Rapid cooling stabilizes the product, halting any further enzymatic activity. Quality assurance at the core stage ensures the texture meets international gourmet standards. The transformation is complete. The larvae are now a refined industrial product. A flash of cryogenic cold locks in the molecular integrity of the protein. Total separation is required for the high-speed automation that follows. Sublimation removes remaining internal water, concentrating the unique nutty flavor. Centralized AI coordinates the complex dance of high-speed automation.
The transformation is complete. The bulk product is now ready for the machines.
Stabilization ensures the product is physically ready for high-precision packaging. Computer vision detects microscopic defects at a rate of 1,000 units per minute. Hermetic sealing is automated to guarantee total freshness. Vibration technology achieves a perfect fill density without damaging the delicate product. Light-speed sensors ensure that no product is misplaced on the high-speed line. Calculations are performed in microseconds to ensure every portion is exact. A final human touch ensures the machine's perfection meets the customer's expectations. Every single unit is assigned a digital fingerprint for global quality tracking. Exactitude is the standard. Only the most precise weights reach the final box. Tactile packaging reflects the sophisticated nature of the desert caviar within. Precision branding is etched with light, ensuring permanent traceability and elegance. In the finishing stage, the product is elevated from a raw commodity to a luxury ingredient. Machine perfect and untouched, the product moves toward its final aesthetic refinement. Real-world production is mirrored in the digital cloud for constant optimization. Mass-scale handling reduces human contact to zero, ensuring maximum hygiene. Induction technology provides a tamper-evident seal with surgical efficiency. Safety is sealed in, protecting the integrity of the larvae until the moment of consumption. Sustainably sourced packaging provides the final layer of protection and style. Hermetic integrity is verified, guaranteeing a shelf life of up to 24 months. The larvae are now ready for the world's most prestigious culinary markets. Technology and tradition have converged into a single, perfect package. Before they leave the facility, one final hurdle remains: the science of safety. In the laboratory, the product undergoes a rigorous scientific audit. Randomized sampling ensures that every batch maintains the gold standard of purity. Microscopic inspection verifies the cellular integrity of the protein after processing. Nutritional profiles are verified, measuring exact levels of amino acids and minerals. Rigorous biological screening guarantees a product that is free from any harmful pathogens. Triple redundant UV sterilization eliminates pathogens at the microbial level. Visual aesthetics are refined to ensure a premium consumer experience. Electronic noses detect the slightest deviation in the product's natural scent. Non-invasive scanning ensures that only the densest, most nutrient-rich larvae proceed. A final glaze preserves the crunch and extends the shelf life. Frictionless transport eliminates physical wear and maintains the integrity of the larvae. The stream multiplies, readying the batch for high-speed robotic handling. With sub-millimeter accuracy, Robotic systems refine the final product distribution. The pop, the signature of fresh Escamoles, is quantified and confirmed. Molecular spectroscopy confirms the absence of pesticides or environmental contaminants. Moisture levels are dialed in to the decimal point to ensure shelf life stability. Human sensory evaluation remains the final judge of the product's nutty, earthy bouquet. With science as its witness, the batch is officially cleared for global distribution. Each seal is a promise of safety, quality, and industrial perfection. The scrutiny ends how the journey to the world's finest kitchens begins. The individual units are now aggregated into bulk loads for international transit. Protective layers ensure stability and security during the rigors of logistics. Digital tracking allows for real-time visibility as the product moves across borders. Efficiency in the warehouse is the final link in the industrial chain. In sub-zero storage, the desert caviar remains suspended in its peak state. Orders are processed with the same speed and precision as the production line. The cold chain remains intact as the cargo is loaded for the final leg of the journey. Locked, sealed, and verified, the product is ready for the world.
From the heart of the agave fields to the global stage, the journey is complete.
And this is how modern factories produce Escamoles from start to finish.
A testament to the harmony of nature's bounty and human ingenuity.
The future of food is here.